So good day everyone, I'm James Joseph Patino from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science, third year. So this is my digital story about the Dale's Cone of Learning. So let's talk about what is this, no? So yung Dale's Cone of Learning, it is made by, or it is theorized, popularized by the educator and psychologist Edgar Dale in the year 1946. It is a visual representation that depicts the various methods through which people can learn and retain information, no? So, ang kinaibahan net sa different cones, no, it highlights the ideas of how learning experience and the level of engagement with the material influences yung retention ng mga tao, no? Kung ano yung ginagawa natin or kung paano yung method of approach natin sa mga estudyante, kung paano nare-retain nila yon by of course like reading, like seeing, like listening or something like that, no? The broader base, no, ito yung kinaibahan niya sa ibang theories because the broader base o yung pinakababa ng cone, it suggests the more active and engaging learning experience led to better retention. So mamaya i-explain natin yan na mas broader, no? So ayan, so first the structure of the cone. So the cone is divided into different segments. Yan ang binabanggit ko kanina. It represents different types of learning experience from the least effective, ayun ang top. Yun ang kinaibahan niya, guys. Yung pinaka-least niya, nasa taas, nasa tuktok, which is yung passive, no? Yung passive na gawain, such as reading, listening to lectures, which result in, we know naman, nagre-resulta yung pag nagbabasa ka lang, nakikinig ka lang, nang hindi mo masyado nare-retain yun at the latter part of the discussion, no? And at the top, no, the most effective or the active, at the most effective, no, or the active, no, active doing, no, is nasa bottom siya, nasa below part siya. So ayun, the bottom represents more interactive and hands-on experiences such as teaching others, doing and practicing, which are associated with higher retention, which is true, no. Next, i-explain na natin ang ayun. Ito yung pinaka-pyramid, no. Ito yung pinaka-pyramid ng ano natin. So in passive, yung pinaka-tuktok, no, wala ka masyadong ginagawa because you are just only seeing and reading, no. Abstract symbolic experiences such as words and images. While yung passive pa rin in middle part, no, ng cone natin, you are observing na these iconic experiences such as watching films, educational television, exhibits, field trip, and demonstrations. While yung pinakababa, no, yung bottom or latter part ng ating pyramid is yung simulation, practicum, and teaching others, which is a type of doing with purposeful experiences na nararanasan natin by doing that. So ayun, to give it more explanation, no, let's look at the levels of the Dale's Cone of Learning, no. Ayun, at the top cone, we have here reading, which says, no, 10% of what we read we'll only remember it, no, after 2 weeks, no. Yun lang yung maaalala natin, yung 10%. Pag nagbasa lang tayo, 10% lang ng content yung maaalala natin. While at the second part, or the second segment, pababa tayo guys ha, so 20% of what we hear is what will we retain lang after 2 weeks, no. Because it is, ayun, kumbaga ito yung, yung lower order thinking skills, no, kung ikukumpara natin siya dun sa, sa pinnacle na yon, no. So ayan, sige, proceed tayo for more explanation at the latter part, no. So in the middle part, or in the middle part of the cone, we have here seeing because, ayan, 30% of what we see is that will only we remembering yung content niya, no. While when we see and hear, 50% ang maaalala natin doon. An example doon is yung pag nanonood tayo ng mga movies, pag nanonood tayo ng mga exhibits or watching demonstration, or seeing it done personally in location or on-site. While 70% of what we say, no, katulad ng pag-participate sa debate, no, or sa on discussion, giving a talk, no, like this, like what I'm doing this, no, 70%. After 2 weeks, 70% of what I'm saying right now, I'll retain it, no, yung 70%. Which is also a part na ng active, no? Kasi passive lahat ng mga nasa taas. This is an active engagement na or active method for me or for students to retain what they say. So 70%. So at the last part, no, learning by doing, no, kumbaga ito na yun, yung gumagalaw ka na, 90%, no, ang maalala mo ron, yung content na maalala mo ron is 90% of what we say and do. So meaning, pag nakapagsabi tayo ng mga things or pag nakagawa tayo, 90% after 2 weeks maalala natin yon, which is ito yung pinaka-effective. An example, teaching others. This is the most effective method of learning, no, as it requires the learner to internalize and explain concept which enhances understanding and retention. Katulad na lang ang ginagawa ko ngayon. I'm doing a presentation for you guys. I'm simulating myself as a teacher, as the person who's teaching you. So 90% of what I say, I will probably retain it yan onwards, no. So ayan, this is the whole cone of learning, no. That is the actual cone ni Edgar Dale. So with that, I'm ending my digital story here. So that's all. Thank you.